Hey everybody, I'm back. I know it's been a while since I've been around. I started a new... You know what? I know you don't really care, so today on Half Baked, we're making King Arthur's Brioche Buns. You're going to want to start with flour, salt, sugar, yeast, dry milk, water, save that for later, and butter. Add everything but the save for later stuff to the bowl of your stand mixer. Put on your dough hook and mix on low till it's smooth and pretty sticky. The recipe says to do this for 15 to 18 minutes, but it took me more like half an hour, so I don't know what to tell you. Oil a bowl and then liberally oil your hands because this dough is sticky and it's hard to get out of the bowl, much less off your hands. Shape into a loose ball, coat with the oil, and then cover for what the recipe says to be an hour, but an hour at room temperature did this, so I don't know, maybe a little bit less. Cover it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 24 hours. I don't know, just because, I guess. Time to divide it. I like to weigh mine beforehand so I know roughly what size to make all my pieces. The recipe says to do 6, but these came out really big, so I'd probably stick to 10 or 12. But they're your buns, so do what you want with them. Shape them into tight balls and then transfer to a lined sheet tray before flattening and then covering and letting sit for another hour or so until they've doubled. Preheat your oven to 375. Use that egg white from earlier with 2 tablespoons of water to make an egg wash. Brush your buns. Now would be the time for seeds if you want that. And then bake for 14 to 18 minutes or until they look about like that. Cool and enjoy. And I know I've been gone a while. I promise. Okay, I don't promise, but I will try to get onto a more regular schedule again. You know, like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Don't know what to tell you. I started a new job. I'm lazy. Thanks for watching.